So if you want to know how to delete a Google Ads campaign from your account, it's pretty straightforward, but at the same time, kind of confusing. So let me explain how this works. If you have your Google Ads account pulled up, I'm in the new user experience. You'll be able to switch to the old design right here if yours doesn't look like this. But once you're in your Google Ads account, if you go under campaigns, so you'll see a little drop down here and you can click campaigns. Then you should see a list of all of your Google Ads campaigns. And you'll notice that this one looks a little different than the rest of these. These are all paused. This is an old account. And this one itself is actually removed. You can see right here it says removed. So when you go to toggle a campaign from enabled to paused, you'll see this other option where it says removed or remove. So it used to be that you could actually delete a campaign or an ad or an ad group or whatever from your account completely and you wouldn't see it there anymore. But they stopped doing that a while ago, I think, so that you can maintain all of the data. Like you can see in this campaign here that was removed, there's still data that we can see about how this video campaign performed. And so that helps us see the history of what's happened in our account. So technically speaking, the way to delete a Google Ads campaign from your account is to just come here and switch it to remove. Once you switch it over to remove, there's nothing you can do with it anymore. I guess technically you can copy it. You can come here, you can copy, and you can paste it, and you can rebuild the campaign from scratch. So it's still technically in your account and you can go reuse it again later, but you can't reactivate it. So I can't click on the little button here and switch it back to enabled or anything. So technically speaking, the only way to quote unquote delete a Google Ads campaign from your account is to just remove it from your account. Once you've removed it from your account, in Google's eyes, it's like it was deleted. And so they're not really paying attention to it anymore. And then it's more or less deleted at that point. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of how to delete Google Ads campaigns or anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out and just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.